Hi everyone, my name is Dilip Kumar Dasari. I am working as a Oracle Fusion Techno-Functional Consultant at Kovaion Consulting Private Limited. Today we are here to discuss about the customizations on learning landing page. Before going to discuss about the customizations on learning page, so let's navigate into the learning section and take a look on what are all the sections are displayed over there. In this learning page, here we can see the three sections called as overdue learning, required learning, and hours of learning this year. This overdue learning is nothing but learning items which are came up to the overdue for an employee level, and the required learning which are very required for an organizations to the employee to complete about it. And when coming to this hours of learning this year section, and this will be works based upon the calendar year, not based upon the financial year. So once the December process, so this will be turned as a 0. So when coming to the employee point of view, this will be a very major impact for an employee level. So in order to overcome this particular thing, so we will perform some customizations in this particular page. So let's get started. So before performing this customizations, we need a help of Sandbox. So I'm just navigating to the configurations and creating a sandbox with the help of Page Composer tool. And click here is create sandbox and give any one random name and just giving custom learn. So once this has been given, so check the Page Composer in the below and click on the create and enter sandbox. So once this has been done, navigate back to the same learning page. And in this learning page, enable the Page Composer tool. Click on this structure. So once you click on the structure, the below docs will get populated. So just drag it as a little up and click on this particular section where it consists of the overdue learnings, required learnings, and the hours of learning this year section. And click on this plus button and go to the component section. Add one text over here. So once this has been done, click on close it. And then top of this particular section, click one more time and add the component called box over here. And then close it. So once this is done, click on this whole section, edit, and go to the settings. In the child components, make sure that this box should be disabled below of the scoreboard. And once it is done, then click on apply and OK. If you see the boxes came below the section of scoreboard. OK, so here we have to go to the add content and then click on this edit text. So make sure the text should be ready before with an HTML format. And this will support both HTML and text. And for time saving, I have make sure everything ready with an HTML. And once this has been pasted, click on this HTML, paste over here, and click on this format. And once this has been done, we will perform some adjustments by clicking on this edit icon. So once if you click on this edit icon, so here it will show some display options and we want to make this text as to be a disappear. So in order to perform that, click on this display header arrow icon over here and remove this and then give as a false statement. Then test OK. Then apply. OK. So once if you click on this apply and OK, you can see that text is not appearing over here, right? And then click on this done editing. So after clicking on this done editing, so we can see the message which is coming in this particular section called as important hours of learning this year. That you can see the learning landing page is the total number of hours completed by you in the current calendar year, not in the financial year. And this message will helps the employee to view the current calendar year and not our financial year details. I mean, the section which is he's able to view over here in the hours of learning this year. So this will be in a calendar year hours. So in order to display the financial year as well, so then we have to click on this add content. Go to this tab and then go to the report and analytics section. Make sure the report is ready with you, like creating a report which will fetch all the actual effort which has been done from financial year. And the report condition should be logged in user as to view only the logged in user details. So I'm just here navigating to the report section. And the table view 2 is the report which I have created for this particular thing. Once click on add and then close it. So here it is displaying in a left side. So in order to make it as an alignment properly at the center, so click on this particular edit button over here and the display options, and the horizontal alignment will be a center, and apply. And OK. So once this is done, so we want to disable this table view 2 as well as a header. So in order to perform that action, click on the edit option, which was under the top of this, and then go to the display options, and display header should be unchecked, and then apply and OK. So once you did this, then you can see, I mean, there is no header over in the top side of this particular section. And now everything is ready. We can go ahead with the publishing of this particular sandbox. So just click on this publish. So once this has been published, just navigate to the page where we did the customizations on the learning section. And here we can see all the configurations and customizations what we have performed right now. And that this display message will tells the employee that, I mean, the hours which you have seen in the hours of learning this year section will be a calendar year, not a financial year. And the financial year details where employee can able to view in that below. And this helps the employee a lot. And that's all about the customizations in the learning landing page. So thanks everyone.